So to add to my mantle decor, I wanted to make a sign, a small tag that I've actually saw on Pinterest somewhere, this with the 1776. Now, what I did, I went through my stash and I had this left over that I had gotten on a clearance from Michael's. It was just a little wood gift tag. And it's about, what did I measure it? It's about like not quite a 4x6, okay? But I have the XOXO on here. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it over on this side because it's gonna go on my mantle. And I kind of like the color of it as it already is, but I wanna rustic it up some. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some home decor antiquing wax. Okay, let's see if I can, oh, I haven't opened this one yet. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead, ooh, maybe not. Let's see here. All right. Don't want a lot. I just want, well, basically that antique look. Now I can do this one of two ways. I can actually take my old towel here and just kind of brush it on if I want. Or I'm gonna just take the dry brush here, take a little bit, like I really don't want a lot of it, so I'm just gonna take just a little bit here. And again, I just kind of wanna dry brush it to where it looks, I don't know, kind of beat up, weathered. Okay, kind of do my edges there a little more. I'm going to put the lid back on that. And actually I'm going to go ahead and take my towel a little bit because it's just a little too brown for me right now. And just kind of smudge it some. You know, actually, I kind of want, I like black, but I'm kind of thinking, I'm just going to take some black paint here. Just a second. This simple black craft paint. I think I got it from Michael's. Just, oh, actually say Apple Barrel, I'm not sure. Some people say it's kind of a chintzy. Again, just what I want. I'm just gonna go here in the cap. I'm gonna take a little bit on my paper towel. I'll put this back on. I am just infamous for knocking things over, so I figure I just, better safe than sorry. Okay, and I want it a little more, not just brown. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to just kind of smudge it on there. And I'm going to take a different corner of my towel now and just kind of, I may have gotten too much on that now. And I probably should have left well enough alone. Okay. So a little too black for me. So to fix that up, I'm just going to go ahead and play with the white one now, because I need to whiten it up a little more. So just get a little bit of white from my cap here. Let's see if I can just kind of lighten it up some more. May come back through with some brown again, just because on the edges. So I'm thinking I probably should have just left well enough alone, but that's all right. We'll make it work. Come back through with some of the brown up here on the edges. Worst case scenario, if I didn't like it, I could just start all over and paint it all white again if I wanted to. Okay, so that looks like a pretty piece of weathered wood at the moment compared to, okay, I had this side, and then I have more of a weathered look here. And because I dry brushed it, I don't really have to wait for it to dry. Okay. So then, now I cut this out on my Cricut, and I already went ahead and put it on my transfer tape here. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do now. Hopefully yikes. Make sure it's on there pretty good. I gotta be really careful. Okay, kind of put this in there. I'm gonna kind of just go ahead and just place it down. Okay, I don't have my scripper, so I'll just use an old card I have here. Reminds me of those transfers I would buy for my wall back before my Cricut. Yeah, I'd have to do this. So we want to make sure we get that on there. Okay. And then I'll just go ahead. Hopefully it will lift up without any problem. And there we have it. The sign is a 1776. I'm going to put that on my mantle, probably with these little pots here. Now, I could spruce it up. I do like, and I probably will, depending on it, I do like the burlap cord here. I do have some, I have ribbon, but I also have some cloth that I had cut up a while back to make a rag bow out of. And I could take this, and I could even tie it around. Make a cute bow of some sort, maybe. Some sort like that. If I wanted to tie it around that. Of course, I have that upside down. But you could fix it however you'd want to, or you just leave it like that. But I'll add that into my decor, and I'll show you how else you can use these.